In the name of Allah, the most gracious, most merciful, thank Allah. Yesterday, day before yesterday, my 10 years complete. I'm making 10 years videos, and today is the 11th year start, like, because yesterday I didn't make video. So today is the 11th year start, and I told in my videos I show 1000 sign, and whatever I forecast come true. You can check that. Many forecasts might come true. And now always I say this is the judgment day start, like Dajjal is came in this earth, Antichrist, like. So Dajjal, you can't recognize him, but his activities you can find in today leaders. Like yesterday, one video I saw, Mehdi Hassan, he make one video and he says Bennett, the new coming, prime minister, like in Israel, and the guy only for 40 years and he's a billionaire, and he joined long time ago Benjamin Netanyahu party, and today he won 7 seats like in Israel, and they have 13 different parties. That's why Allah says human never united, even Jewish also. Same thing, Christians also never united. This is the sign, and this is the judgment day before. The character is not a good leader. If you are a gunda means thief, or you are a don, like you join any party, you become leader and clean cheat, like, and you are a past villain, and present you are a hero, like for Jew or Christians or Hindu. The same leaders and same shaitan, same evil sign this one before the judgment day. So he told in his video, you can check that Bible, he says, Bible not, recite Jewish in Israel where they worship front of the wall. And even here, no Jewish carry Bible. Only Christian says Bible belongs to Jew and belongs to Christians, but this is not true. I never saw Bible, carry Jewish on the street or on the train, on the bus, or in the worship place, synagogue, or front of, Israel wall where they worship. So the guy, he said, check that Bible, this is the totally wrong, but he says he killed many Arabs. So he is not terrorist. And he says Arabs, they're not a human like. And he says they are terrorists. So this is only, he can talk, he can, screaming, yelling like a dog, barking like. So he can say only you're Arab. Even in America, white people, they can hate Muslims. They don't like Arabs. They don't like, we say Prophet Jesus. So that's why they are enemy for Muslims also. Joe Biden like. He's a today dawn like for Christians. He's a butcher. He wants to be sell weapons, and he said defense. Israel can defense, he said, against Hamas. But he forgot 75 years this land belongs to Palestine, Arabs. So this is the one place Joe Biden, he can scream and yelling and he act like a Hitler, and here Bennett, he can act like Hitler in Israel, and other in India. Now I want to be compare President Imran Khan, Pakistan, 2.5 years, and he is he's a biography like, and he's a model like, and he's a good actor like, he's a good cricketer like, sportsman like, and he's a model for president, prime minister like today. First, he's a cricketer. He brought the name Pakistan in 1992 World Cup. This is the big heroism. Then you can see his character as a family background. He is good family background. Imran Khan, and he look like handsome hero like, and he's a well-educated Oxford University, and he's a good leader. He's struggling 2002 now 21, and he become prime president in Pakistan, and 2.5 years now, and he is going good now. So he's a model also one time. Cricketer, he's a modeling in England. He did it. So all you can check these characters very good, and he's a leader. Someone trying to assassinate him. Election time. He forgot everybody. Even today they have conspiracy. They don't want to be seen as a prime minister in Pakistan. But he not take revenge like Modi. He is a butcher. Modi. Pulwama election time, he killed 49 people. And Rajkot also 2 incident, and Gujarat 2001 he killed 3,000 people. And he's not educated. And he's ordinary chai wala they call, tea stall man. And he's not a good family background. He's not a very good character also today, because everybody says India bachao, Modi bhagao. Modi bhagao, India bachao. Now the slogan in India. So I compare with Pakistan. Pakistan, he make vaccine, and his success today. In 2.5 years and 1.5 year, this is pandemic, and he going very good with his citizens, Imran Khan, and he don't have trouble in 2020 to 21. He don't have any troubles. Even the ordinary man also like him in Pakistan. But only opposition, they screaming, yelling, because they don't want to be seen, honest person in Pakistan. They don't want to be progress. They don't want to be see developed Pakistan country like. But India, 7 years, only people screaming, yelling, Allahu Akbar. This is the worst time in Pakistan, India. Allahu Akbar. You can't see, good time in India.